Hello everybody, let's have a little walk down to a little drumming spot in the bridge, under the bridge. So, got to not try and fall down here. Let's get to the bottom. But these leaves actually help dig in, so it's not too bad. And then, pretty rapid them rivers today. Now I've got to navigate over this lot. Let's see how we do without trying to drop anything, but that's going to be well tricky, so let's just and here we are across. To be fair, I've been doing that since I was a baby, so yeah, it's a good little thing. And the reason we're here today is going to have a drum. Hello everybody again, so here we are underneath the lovely bridge, and I thought I'd bring you this the heron drum, and it's part of the curation that I've done, and that'll be coming out soon to show you all. Also, if you want some of this this beautiful artwork and to know about the ancestors, don't forget to get in touch with Peter and Edwina, and they're brilliant, they're awesome, you'll love the work. They've got a shop on Etsy. Anyway, let's have a little sound to this well slip here today. So I'm on top guard. So let's have a little sound of this. First we got, this was a red beater, but I've painted it gold. And then done a new handle for it because my dog chewed it a little bit. But so I decided to do a new handle for it. But that was for the original first drum I got. But yeah, we'll use it here for today. Anyway, and the heron drum. I love this. Should have probably wore earplugs. Anyway, I brought this beater down with me. The her beater made by Edwina. See how it sounds. So I hope you like that little drum, and I'll have some more drums and beats for you soon, so stay tuned. Also, don't forget the Adventures of a Bag of Flour, the Donkey Stone, Crazy Manc Chris, the Manchester Maze, got it all going on. Keep watching, stay tuned, peace out, have a good day.